Your home is more than just a place to live, it's a reflection of your personality, style, and creativity. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance, upgrade your interiors, or completely transform your space, this video is packed with stylish and inspiring home decor ideas that will help you create a sophisticated and inviting home. From color palettes and textures to statement furniture and lighting, we'll explore the key elements that define an elegant and well-designed space. Let's dive in. Choosing a refined color palette. A harmonious color scheme is essential in setting the tone for an elegant home, influencing both the overall aesthetic and mood of the living environment. When selecting colors, it's best to start with neutral tones, such as soft whites, various shades of gray, and warm beiges. These colors not only create a timeless and sophisticated feel but also serve as a versatile backdrop that complements a wide array of decor styles, furnishings, and accessories. Incorporating neutral shades allows for easy integration of various design elements without overwhelming the space. Moreover, these muted tones can make rooms feel more spacious and airy, enhancing the overall ambience of tranquility and comfort within the home. If you have a desire to introduce a pop of color, consider deep jewel tones such as emerald green, sapphire blue, or rich burgundy. These colors can add depth and luxury to your interior. They work beautifully as accent colors, perhaps through a stunning area rug, bold artwork, or elegant throw pillows. The contrast created by these vibrant hues can enliven a neutral palette while still maintaining elegance. Incorporating textures and luxurious materials. Texture is a critical element in interior design that significantly influences the overall ambience of a space. It adds dimension and tactility, making environments feel more dynamic and inviting. When selecting materials, consider a diverse range of textures to establish depth and contrast throughout your home. Plush fabrics such as velvet or suede are exceptional for furnishings like sofas, armchairs, and decorative pillows. Their soft, rich texture not only conveys luxury but also provides a comfortable seating experience. Velvet, in particular, is known for its sheen and drape, perfect for creating a sophisticated and elegant atmosphere. Opting for throw pillows in different colors and patterns can also enhance visual interest, inviting touch and interaction. Natural wood is another versatile material that brings warmth and a sense of groundedness to interiors. Choose reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood pieces to add character and history. Incorporating wood elements, whether in furniture, flooring, or shelving, can create a beautiful contrast against cooler materials like metal or glass. Investing in high-quality, timeless furniture is key to achieving an elegant interior that reflects your personal style and enhances the ambience of your home. When selecting pieces for your space, it's important to consider both aesthetics and functionality. Here are some detailed recommendations. Heavy checkmark: a well-designed sofa as the centerpiece of your living room. The sofa serves as the focal point of the living room and therefore should blend comfort with striking design. Look for options that feature durable upholstery and sturdy frames, ensuring longevity. Styles like a mid-century modern or a classic tufted design can easily complement various interior themes. Heavy checkmark: sleek, sculptural coffee tables to add visual interest. A coffee table is not merely a place to rest your drinks, it's an opportunity to showcase style. Choose tables with unique shapes or materials, such as glass, metal, or wood, that echo the design language of your other furnishings. A sculptural coffee table can serve as an art piece, sparking conversation and adding a layer of sophistication. Wall art and decor that makes a statement. A well-decorated wall can instantly elevate your home, transforming the ambience and adding character to your space. Consider the following options to enhance your interiors. Artist palette large-scale artwork. Invest in a striking piece that draws the eye and serves as a focal point in any room. Large canvases often convey powerful emotions and can make a sophisticated statement, helping to define your personal style. Framed picture gallery walls. Create a visually engaging display by grouping various artworks, photographs, and prints. This curated collection allows you to showcase your personality and experiences, turning a blank wall into a narrative reflection of who you are. Play with different frame sizes and styles for added interest. The impact of lighting in interior design. Lighting has the power to transform any room, influencing not only the aesthetics but also the mood of the space. A well-thought-out lighting design can highlight architectural features, create focal points, and enhance the overall functionality of a room. To create the perfect ambience, it is essential to incorporate a mix of lighting sources. Sparkles, chandeliers, and pendant lights. These elements add sophistication and drama to your space. A striking chandelier can serve as a centerpiece in a dining room or entryway, while pendant lights can be used in kitchens or over dining tables to create a visual statement. With various styles, from traditional ornate designs to modern minimalist fixtures, these lighting options can be tailored to match your interior design theme. Sparkles, wall sconces, and table lamps. These types of lighting provide a warm, inviting glow, perfect for living areas and bedrooms. Wall sconces can flank a piece of artwork or adorn a hallway, adding dimension and highlighting specific areas. Meanwhile, table lamps offer versatile lighting solutions that can enhance a reading nook or side table, allowing for both ambient and task lighting. Accessorizing with style and balance. Accessories are the finishing touches that tie your space together, enhancing the overall aesthetic and functionality of your interior design. These elements, when chosen thoughtfully, can transform a simple room into a visually stunning environment that reflects your personal style. Stick to a less is more approach for a refined, clutter-free look, as over-accessorizing can lead to a chaotic appearance that detracts from the room's beauty. Heavy checkmark decorative vases and sculptures add a touch of artistry to your space. Choose unique pieces that speak to you and fit the theme of your decor. A stylish vase can hold fresh flowers or serve as a standalone statement piece, while sculptures can provide texture and interest to any surface. Opt for a variety of materials such as glass, ceramic, or metal to create an engaging visual contrast. Creating a stylish and elegant home is all about the right balance of color, texture, lighting, and accessories. Whether you're making small updates or a complete makeover, these ideas will help you craft a space that feels luxurious and welcoming. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.